what he was trying to say.
I'm marking you both absent.
Who's he marking absent?
He's pissed.
Okay, we can't talk
This is Andy. This is
Fucking
America.
sad. Cut that.
No.
I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
I'm sad.
I'm walking in the 7th period, probably getting in trouble because I'm late. Okay, we're at my cousin's graduation. This is my cousin, Jessie.
Continuation.
Whatever, graduation, continuation, same thing. Anyway.
To the same place.
She ain't going that far. Nope. She's going down the hall.
She's going down the hall around the corner to the other lady classroom. Probably the same teacher.
Anyway, we're at her graduation, and this gym is so small.
It's ghetto.
Literally, we can't be together because we really just making fun of everybody here.
They all look like they smoke cigarettes and crack at like the same time. Or like possibly anyone.
We don't look alike, but we're still cute. Well,
We don't look alike, but we're still related.
that too. God, I swear. We're here to support. Period.
Period.
We're here to support
I thought they were walking in.
We're here to support the next generation of our family.
That's a fucked up generation.
Nuh-uh, Nevaeh is the first side of the generation. Be nice. This teacher was really in my way.
Garcia. Savannah McLean.
Back at it again. You already know. I'm gonna just add this into the same video as yesterday. So yesterday I added that video clip of my little cousin graduating. She looks so cute. But today I gotta go back to school and do finals, which I'm sad, but I'm also happy because that just means that, you know, it's the end of the year. My white Nike shoes, because they're the easiest to put on and they're the most comfortable. I have Ratchet. Honestly, I need to get more shoes if I'm being honest, but okay, so today we have finals and today is blue day again, like my last video. So I feel like I look ugly but cute at the same time. Anyway, we just had finals in Spanish, and I think I did pretty good because I could kind of speak it, so yeah. Look what I did. I don't know if y'all see that. I'm not gonna show you.
Stop. Please, I will sue you, I swear.
This is America back at it again with a bang.
Back at it again with the vlog.
Oh, wait, is that out? Walker's out. Done! Right now, and I realized that this next part doesn't really make any sense. Basically, while I was wiping down the cabinet, though, is because in our ceramics class, that was our final, was cleaning the classroom. So that's why I did that. He was making us clean for a grade. I feel like Cinderella up in this bitch. I didn't do an outro, but basically that's the end of the video. I didn't film in 8th period because I really didn't want to. I didn't film when I got home because I didn't do anything interesting. So I applied for jobs, that's it. But anyway, bye, subscribe, like, whatever all the YouTubers say.